that we should take care of the people that we love. We should honor the persons in our lives. We should treat persons with respect, and we should hold those persons dear to us. Because time we do not have. We have it today, we don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. So tonight, in spite of everything that's going on, I'm very honored to be here to honor my Baba. Let me tell you, Baba is the first and only man that made me jealous, because you know Baba is a ladies man, right? And even though I attained the title as senior wife, when the other wives come around, I just have to hold my position. Because Baba is not going to say, senior wife is here. He's going to go for it. So I can tell you personally, I've never seen Baba upset. I've seen him annoyed, but not to the point where you have to be worried that it's going to get bad and it's going to get really bad. I don't know if anyone here has seen him really, really upset. Baba exudes integrity. There's a calmness, and if Baba has ever hugged you, Baba doesn't hug your body, he hugs your soul. When Baba hugs you, no matter what is going on in your life, no matter how bad your day is going, when he hugs you, the hug literally says, don't worry, everything is going to be alright. So whenever I see him coming up the stairs, I start positioning myself. Yeah, so I love myself because I know that one of those heartwarming hugs. And I think, if anything, that's what I'm going to miss the most. Those hugs that Baba don't hug you for 2 seconds. He hugs you and he makes sure that you're alright. And as Nurse Johnson said, he knows everybody by first name. And Baba does not just respect the nursing staff or the medical team, he respects the janitors, the porters. Everybody has earned respect because he treats everybody with the same kind of respect. So, Baba, I am very honored tonight to be here to celebrate you. I am congratulating you. Obviously, you've done a good job. You set your mark at Nathan Hospital. I know it comes a time for you not to hug us and give us those little jokes. Like, if you know Baba jokes, only Baba can give those jokes, right? So, we are going to miss a lot of things, but this is certainly not goodbye. I hope the guidance team will consider giving Baba some sessions, because I need to see him. Dr. Williams is here, Dr. Dean, everyone is like, yes, please, we're asking, once it's possible, please ensure that Baba has sessions, because he has a family that needs him, and we are very excited tonight, Baba, that not only are you going home to rest, but you have purpose, you have a granddaughter. A lot of people retire and don't know what to do with their time. No, you have more than you can manage, right? So tonight, can we put our hands together one more time for the most humblest, gentlest giant that we're painting, Dr. Edward Hopkinson. Thank you.
Watch out. Give me the speed.
Oh.